Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of connection problem on Instagram. You click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will scrolling down until you find this application of Instagram, or you can go to above here. You will write the name of this application of Instagram here, and you will click on it like this. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. We click just on clear cache here in this page. When above here you will go to Wi-Fi, you will turn off your Wi-Fi. Then you will wait a moment and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again. And after that, you will click on Play Store. Here in this page, you will search again here on this application of Instagram, as you see. Here in this page, you will click in this sign, in this plus sign if you find updates, to update your application of Instagram and to solve your problem of connection or network connection problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.